Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to pin a message on Messenger. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're just going to open the Messenger application. And once you've opened, all you have to do is to go to a group that has multiple people in it. And once you've tapped on the conversation of the group, when you tap and hold on the message, as you can see, these are the set of options. And all you have to do is to tap on the ellipsis icon, which is labeled more. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this set of options. And as you can see, pin message has been removed by Meta as for the update. But there are alternative ways to do it. Actually, there are two. So all you have to do is to go back again so that it is technically pinning. As for when you pin, you want everyone to see that message. So for the first one, all you have to do is to swipe that bubble. If you're the one who sent it, all you have to do is to swipe it to the left. And the same goes if someone else has sent it. For the next step, all you have to do is to tap on everyone so that everyone in the group chat will be notified when you send this message. Let's try. And once you've sent it, as you can see, everyone will be notified. And for the other way, we'll do the same process as earlier, as tapping and hold the bubble that you'd like to be pinned and select the more option on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you've tapped on it, you will see this option again. And the one that we're looking for here right now is the bump, so that the message will be bumped and will be resent again. Not as a reply, but as a new message. Let's go ahead and try. As you can see, the message has been resent, but there is a note that you bumped a message. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.